Kase just lifted the curtain on an exciting new lens announcement. Word is going around about their soon-to-be-released 200mm f5.6 manual focus reflex prime. Details may be sparse, but leaked information hints at extended telephoto reach, signature donut bokeh effects, and a remarkably lightweight build. Even with specs still under wraps, this new Kase lens is already sparking curiosity. Stay tuned and see what it can do. Photographers, the long wait is over. After 3 years in development, Kase has finally unveiled its innovative new prime lens, the Kase 200mm f5.6 reflex lens. This unique super telephoto lens packs an intriguing set of capabilities into a remarkably compact and lightweight body. Kase is crashing into the lens market by leading with a specialty prime lens boasting a super telephoto 200mm focal length. This long reach gives photographers the ability to capture faraway subjects in stunning detail. Brings small birds, wildlife, athletes, and more right into your frame. The f5.6 maximum aperture also delivers nice subject isolation and background blur to make your subject pop.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
Now, let's talk about what really makes this lens unique: the reflex technology. Kase has leveraged specialized refractive optics to deliver images with an artistic donut-shaped bokeh effect surrounding the in-focus portion of the image. Its optical formula uses 6 elements in 5 groups with exotic glass materials to optimize image quality while keeping chromatic aberration to a minimum. Kase's new ultra coating is also applied to reduce flare and ghosting for improved clarity and contrast, especially important for a long telephoto prime. One major advantage of the Kase 200mm f5.6 is its remarkably lightweight, compact body. At just 384 grams, this lens shaves weight compared to bulkier 200mm primes. The smaller size should make it easier to handhold and carry on long hikes or safaris when chasing far-off wildlife. The aluminum alloy barrel provides durability without adding heft. With a minimum focusing distance of 2 meters and a maximum magnification of 0.11 times, the lens also provides reasonable, close focusing abilities for a 200mm prime. This allows you to hone in on smaller details, even when shooting subjects that are farther away. The 9-blade circular aperture delivers nice, smooth out-of-focus highlights as you stop down. Manual focus operation keeps the lens stripped down to the basics, but should offer extremely precise control over focus placement, crucial at the telephoto end. The long focus throw and smooth damping allow fine-tuning critical focus. A distance scale is also engraved right on the lens barrel for zone focusing abilities. One exciting upgrade is compatibility with a wide range of camera mounts. The Kase 200mm f5.6 can be adapted for Sony E, Canon RF, Nikon Z, Canon EF, Fujifilm G, and Fujifilm X mirrorless cameras. This versatility expands the creative possibilities across systems. Landscape, wildlife, and portrait photographers shooting on different mirrorless bodies can all make use of this unique prime lens. While it doesn't have the speed or autofocus capabilities of some telephoto primes, the Kase 200mm f5.6 reflex lens looks to deliver extremely creative results at a reasonable price under $500. For photographers looking for a compact super telephoto lens with novel refractive optics at an accessible price point, this should tick a lot of boxes. Of course, we'll have to spend some time doing real-world shooting ourselves before we can fully evaluate optical quality across the zoom range and how usable that unique bokeh effect is. But at first glance, Kase seems to have created something really new and innovative with their debut lens. For photographers who crave unique ways to see the world through their lens, the Kase 200mm f5.6 should spark your curiosity. We can't wait to get our hands on it for full field testing. But if the performance lives up to the innovative concept, Kase could have a real hit on their hands with a must-have specialty lens for artistic photographers. So that's all about the new 200mm f5.6 manual focus reflex lens from Kase. Do share your thoughts with us. We'd love to hear your takes. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.